Hey guys, my name is Jack Leeson with startuptrading.com, and I'm going to be showing you today one little tool I use to help me make $9,000 today trading nadex. You can actually see just behind my screen here. I'm up $8,832. I paid roughly $45.73 per contract, so 45.73 times 174. Let's do this math. 45 dot, no, this is 75 times 174 equals, so roughly $8,000 of risk on this trade. So 7,960 bucks, and the payout will be 174 times 100. So it'll be $17,400, and then minus, let's just say, what was it, 79.40. So actually a little bit more than $9,000 I'll make on this trade. So what is the tool I use though? So I just wanted to show you guys that position. This is a position in the Dow for an expiration above 31,530. 31,530. We're trading about 300 points above that. So, there is 3 hours left in the market, and here we are on the 24th of February 2021, but we're 300 points above my level. I need the Dow above this level. Now, I thought the possibility of a breakout could happen today, and there's 4 indexes. So I'm going to show you guys this tool that I'm talking about right here in my trade room, or actually, this is Perry's profile room. Every single day, Perry, who's part of Startup Trading, releases what he calls his index profile sheet. And this is what that index profile sheet looks like. Okay, this is what that index profile sheet. There's a bunch of information on here. He shares all of this data, economic news. But what I was looking for specifically today, excuse me, was the strength of the market. Now, when I think the market's going to break out, you get to choose from, you have the Nasdaq, you have the S&P 500, you have the Dow and the Russell. So I always like to look at what is the strongest market on multiple time frames, and this sheet does that for me. I love this sheet. I love to combine it with my nadex plays, whether I'm looking for shorts or longs, because I'll just go, if I think the market's going lower, I'll go to the weakest market. If I think the market's going higher, I go to the strongest market, and this sheet tells me the strongest market. So he measures the strength of the market on a 1, 5, 10, 15, 20-day period. The periods that are important to me when I'm day trading are the 1, 5, and 10, because those are the most recent time frames that are relevant to the day time frame that I'm trading. So yesterday, the S&P 500 was actually the strongest market. It was up 0.12%. The Dow right behind it. But then if I go to a 5-day period, the Dow is basically unchanged and the S&P is down. Okay, if I go to a 10-day period, the Dow is up, 0.75%, and the ES is down 0.75%. So that tells me over 1 to 10-day period that the Dow is the strongest. So going into today, as soon as we came into support levels, I gravitated to the Dow and bought that support. And I went big. This is a pretty big nadex trade, but I was buying the highs. This was a strike price right at the highs of the overnight session, the resistance levels, because I thought we could bust through. And I wanted to go to the strongest market that has, because if we didn't bust through, if the market was maybe weak, I wanted to be able to get out of it. So that was how I figured that out using this sheet. Now, Perry updates the sheet every single day. He charges $20 a month for it. It's absolutely nothing. If you guys, think this would be super helpful to you, he also does a video. I encourage you to subscribe. I will leave a link below to join his room. But I encourage you guys to look at this because I do every single day, and it helps me make informed decisions when I'm picking the markets to trade. Thank you. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I'll be dropping more videos soon. I've been kind of lagging, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.